To gain access to the fog light, we're going to remove the inner fender well. If you choose to, you can remove the tire, but you don't have to. You could just turn it to the side and you can access all the bolts. There should be a 7mm bolt right here and right here that you want to remove, and a couple push pins. You can pull those out. Otherwise, the rest of the push pins are right here. Use a trim tool and just pop these off. Another one right here. You just move it so that you can access the fog light, which is right there. Disconnect the fog light. You can just push down on the tab right there. This should be part of the bulb. You can also disconnect the bulb from that, just like that. There's a little tab. There's these retainers right here. There's 3 of them. You can use some needle nose pliers, and there's some little tabs on them. You just push those tabs in, and from the front you can pull the fog light towards the front a little bit as you squeeze those retainers. Sometimes it helps just to go inside the middle like this, fold it over, and just slide right out, and then just grab it, and it slides out from the front. On the back of the fog light, you can slide this bulb out just by pushing on these tabs. These are test bulbs. To replace this bulb, you want to use a 2504 bulb, and just slide it in position. And just lock it back in. And you want to slide this in position the same way the old one came out. Those little holes, line those up, and just push and lock it in place. And make sure those tabs are locked in place, and that looks good. You can take the connector, connect the connector, lock it down. There is an adjuster in this lower one right here. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver if you need to, and you can adjust it up and down. Now take this panel, slide that back in position. And get all these. Slide the push clips back in place. Oops. And if you have those screws, put the screw there, down there, and those other two push clips.